Hello everyone. In this video, we will cover a very important part of the presentations, that is to create the presentations. We have seen a lot of presentations. There are thousands of lakhs of templates available. And when we are about to create any presentation, we are so confused that which template we have to use or we can use. And apart from that, we have to do a lot of research about that particular topic, what to write, what exact graphics we have to create so that our presentation looks attractive. So in this video, we will learn how AI tool, artificial intelligence tool can help us in creating and making the presentation an amazing presentation. So let me take you to the that AI tool, and the name of website is gamma.app. It's a free of cost. You can create your account just like you create account in other websites. So just you have to go to the gamma.app, and here you can see a create now button. So you have to click on that button and it will ask you two options. One, that is you have to generate, that is provide a topic and let AI generate you a first draft of a doc, deck or a web page. And you can also do the text transform, that is paste in notes or import docs and slides, edit with more advanced controls. So in this particular video, we will cover that how you can create a presentation. So that will come into this portion, that is generate. We will click on this. So he's asking, hi Tanveer, I am your AI design partner. What would you like to create today? So our motto is that we would like to create a presentation. So I'll write here presentation. So it said, sounds good. What would you like presentation to be about? So here you have to type a topic in any language that you need you can say that you need a presentation on that particular topic. So we have to write here the topic. So let us say that we need a presentation which we want to show to the public that how gadget addiction these days is very harmful. So we can write here gadget addiction. You can write anything that you need. So I'll write gadget addiction only, and then I will click the enter button. So let us say, so see, it has created outline for your presentation that what should be the title of slides. So it says introduction, what is gadget addiction, symptoms of gadget addiction, causes, effects, treatments, conclusion. So it gives you a outline that your slide should have these headings, and then you can put your content. So let we press on the button continue, and we can see that what exactly can share with us. So I have just clicked on the primary button. So it is basically giving us a theme to choose. Suppose I'm choosing default. It has a dark version also, oatmeal is there, marine is there. So I'm pressing the continue button. So let us see what it has for us. So in a few seconds, your complete gadget addiction presentation will be created that you can download, and you can directly present from the gamma.app as well. So as you can see, your content is being generated and it is using the text also, very wonderful or very simple infographics, other graphics, and the text also. So now let me scroll up to see what it has created. So here you can see gadget addiction. As technology has advanced, we have become increasingly reliant on our gadgets. In this presentation, we will explore the dangers of gadget addiction and how to overcome it. So you can see it is a perfect definition or perfect intro slide to gadget addiction. So the graphic that is being generated is very relevant and it automatically says the author name. So here you can see the rise of gadget addiction, the various images it has created, and then what is gadget addiction. It is using a basic different shapes, so it is not like just in bullet points or in the paragraph the information is there. So you can see it has used the different shapes. Now infographic is there telling the symptoms, and then causes again sedentary lifestyle, boredom and loneliness, multitasking. So again, it has used the images plus text. So combo is there, and then we have the effects, the treatments. That is, so treatment, you can see very relevant treatment it has given us. Limit use, find other activities, and get support. And finally, the conclusion that while technology connects us in many ways, it can also be harmful if not used in moderation. By understanding the causes, symptoms, and effects of gadget addiction, we can take steps to limit our use and regain control of our lives. So, why I'm reading all this? Because so that we can see how relevant the text is that has come out of gamma.app. So, we can say that it is 100% correct that is being generated by gamma.app. So in this way, first you can see the outline of your presentations generated by gamma.app, and finally you can select the theme, whether the dark or the simplest one, and then you can click on the continue button so that you can have a complete presentation. So on the top right there is a button of share, theme, present, so that you can directly present to the people you would like. So this is the magic of gamma.app. Thank you.